Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the feasts of Saints Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael, the archangels. The saints that we are honoring today have no physical bodies. They are spiritual, created beings. And as spiritual beings, we do not possess any relic to venerate with regard to these three saints that we are honoring today. They belong to the category of generally angels, but they are called archangels because they are sent by God for a higher message. Angels would literally mean messengers. And so, angels are sent by God to send a message, to bring a message to us, His people. And the archangels are sent by God when there are important messages that God wants us to receive. In Exodus and Jude, the name of Saint Michael is mentioned. In Tobit, the name of Saint Raphael is mentioned. And in the Gospel of Luke, the name of Saint Gabriel was mentioned. And so they are sent by God for a higher message, important message that God wants us to know and to receive. By the way, I would like to express my greetings to the parish of Saint Raphael the Archangel in Limansangan, Binalonan, the parish that is celebrating their fiesta today. Happy fiesta po sa inyong lahat, sa pamumuno po ng inyong parish priest, si Father Angelito Arzola. And now, angels are sent to serve us, the people of God. And they are sent to protect us, defend us against the snares of the enemy, of the devil. Kaya nga po, itong mga arkanghel na ito ay nagsiserve o nagsisilbing inspirasyon natin. Nagaya nila, sana tayo rin ay maglingkod sa ating kapwa. Hindi yung tayo yung nagpapabigat sa kalagayan ng kapwa-tao natin. Nakakalungkot na sa panahon natin ngayon, mahirap na nga, nanakawan pa. Kawawa na nga yung bansa natin, nanakawan pa. Nakakalungkot yun, na itinalaga natin sila para magsilbi, pero sila'y nagpapahirap, sila yung kumukuha pa ng kaban ng bayan. Sana matuto rin tayong promotekta ng ating kapwa-tao. Hindi tayo yung naninira o nagpapabagsak ng dahil lamang sa inggit sa ating kapwa-tao. Alam niyo, ang mga anghel ay nariyan para protektahan tayo, ipaglaban tayo sa mga masasama. At makakayanan din nating malabanan ng kasamaan kung una-una sa lahat, tayo ay magiging vigilant sa mga taktika ng demonyo. Magiging vigilant tayo sa mga galaw din ng demonyo upang sirain lalong-lalo na ang kahalagahan ng pamilya. Kaya sana we tried our best to defend and protect our families, because it is there where the Lord first entered and consecrated the family when Jesus was born in a family. And it's the family where Jesus started His redeeming work. Kaya po, ang demonyo, wais din. Doon din niya gustong umpisahan, sirain ang kaharian ng Diyos. Saan? Sa pamilya. Kaya napakahalaga na ating protektahan ng ating pamilya. Pangalawa po, matatalo natin ang demonyo kung dala-dala natin o armor natin ang humility at obedience. Alam niyo yung pride ni Satan ay sabi niya, I will not serve, hindi ako magsisilbi. Pero ang mga anghel ay lagi nilang binabanggit o lumalabas o bukang bibig nila yung fiat ni Mama Mary, be it done to me according to your word. They're humble and obedient kung ano man ang ipag-utos ng ating Diyos sa kanila. Nawa, ganun din tayo. We can defeat the devil through humility and obedience to God. Well, there is only one virtue that really, or these are two virtues that the devil can never imitate. They can become beautiful, they can appear to be seemingly the truth, pero ito yung hindi nila kayang gawin, ang magpakumbaba at sumunod sa Diyos. Sapagkat ito yung kanilang ayaw na ayaw, pero ito yung ipinapakita ng mga anghel, lalong-lalo ng ating mahal na Birhen Maria. And so we can really defeat the power of the evil once we learn how to be humble and obedient to the will of God. Muli po, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.